Welcome to Infotop today. We're breaking down one of the most debated topics in Indian democracy, electronic voting machines or EVMs. Are they a revolutionary tool or a subject of contention? Let's explore. EVMs or electronic voting machines are devices designed to record votes electronically, replacing the age-old ballot paper. In India, they're developed by Bharat Electronics Limited and the Electronics Corporation of India. These devices aim to make voting quicker, cost-effective, and tamper-proof. EVMs were first introduced in India in 1982 during a by-election in Kerala. They were fully deployed across the country by the 2004 general elections, eliminating 8,000 tons of paper annually. The machines symbolized progress, helping one of the largest democracies in the world efficiently manage over 900 million voters. But while EVMs reduced logistical challenges, they've also stirred controversies. In India, critics argue that EVMs lack transparency due to the absence of a paper trail. Concerns were raised during the 2009 general elections and after various assembly elections. A landmark Supreme Court judgment in 2013 directed the Election Commission to implement the Voter Verified Paper Audit Trail (VVPAT) to enhance trust globally. EVMs face scrutiny too. Countries like Germany and the Netherlands stopped using electronic voting due to security concerns. Meanwhile, nations like Brazil and the Philippines continue to use them effectively. India stands unique with its hybrid model combining EVMs and VVPATs. Yet, critics cite instances of malfunction and allegations of hacking, though these have rarely been substantiated. Some claim that EVMs are prone to tampering. Allegations of rigging during state elections have made headlines, but no concrete evidence has been presented. The Election Commission of India categorically denies these allegations, even organizing an EVM challenge in 2017 to prove the machine's security. Despite criticisms, EVMs have helped reduce vote counting errors, significantly cut election costs, and improve logistical efficiency. The Supreme Court itself noted their utility in managing large-scale elections. As the Delhi Assembly elections approach, all eyes are on the use of EVMs amidst a politically charged environment. The machines were tested thoroughly in the recent general elections of 2024, where they processed over 1 billion votes efficiently. With VVPAT cross-verification, their credibility has grown, though debates still continue. As we navigate these crucial elections, it's important to critically assess both the strengths and limitations of EVMs, ensuring a transparent democratic process for all. EVMs are a tool, not flawless but transformative for democracy. With regular audits, enhanced transparency, and timely reforms, they can continue to shape India's democratic success story. What's your opinion on EVMs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Infotop for more insights on India's key issues.